Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is very likely going to be the last video on the Lionel 33 and the standard consist that I put together for it. I've got this track working quite well, so I remounted a transformer. This is the Lionel 1033 transformer. Got it mounted on the bench now, or on the layout table. So, just want to do a quick video on this. As you see, this is working really, really well. So, in any case, getting back to the O-gauge stuff, got a new set coming, should be here very likely Friday. A 1666 full set that I found on eBay. Anyway, I'll do an unboxing when it gets here. So, like I said, this is very likely going to be the last video on the Lionel standard gauge. I'm really not going to pursue this. I've found absolutely no inexpensive way to do it. Even the junk on eBay, I mean, even the lowest quality stuff I can find is still expensive. So you're talking the cars, 40 bucks each, sometimes more than that. And the locomotives themselves, hundreds of dollars, some of them thousands of dollars. So there is no really inexpensive way to get into standard gauge. I mean, it's a lot of fun. In this case, it was a lot of fun simply because I resurrected this old locomotive from the dead. But as far as running this stuff, you need a huge layout. You also need a really, really thick pocketbook to be able to do it. The stuff is just exponentially more expensive than O-gauge. So, in any case, this was a lot of fun. It was a fun project. I'm going to leave it set up, no doubt. And I might pick up another car. I don't know. It depends on if I can find one cheap or not. But I've got 5 cars on there now. 4 originals and that flat car that I made. The trucks I found on eBay, of course. A couple of paint stirrers glued together. And I made the couplers out of hacksaw blades. And it fits in, it runs well, it looks nice. So in any case, I've got this set up, got a dedicated transformer mounted for it now, so I will very likely just leave this up and running. And like I said, it's just too expensive to really pursue. So I may get 2 more pieces of track and extend this another 10 inches or so, but as far as actually expanding the layout, I'm not going to do it for the standard stuff. It's just too expensive to do it, and it takes up too much room. And for the price of one of these cars, in most cases, I could buy 2 Marx locomotives. So anyway, getting back into the O-gauge stuff, like I said, I've got another 1666 complete set coming that I found on eBay. It'll be here either tomorrow or Friday, so I'll do an unboxing on that. Fairly decent shape, got it cheap. Whether it's going to run or not, I have no idea. But just wanted to do a final video on the Lionel 33. As you see, it is running really well. So it was a lot of fun bringing this old locomotive back to life. It was a lot of work, but I had a lot of fun doing it. And like I said, this is a satisfying part, being able just to kick back and watch this old locomotive and this old consist running around some original track. It was a lot of fun. But like I said, I'm just not going to pursue it. It's just simply too expensive, and it is way too big. So, in any case, just the last video on the Lionel 33. I will eventually get around to putting the forward reverse switch in it. But I put a lot of work into this thing over the last couple weeks. So I'm going to take a break from it, get back to O-gauge, get back to the stuff that I like doing. So in any case, just a quick video of the Lionel 33, the last video in fact. Got its dedicated transformer mounted, so this will be up and running for a while. You'll see it in other videos, but as far as working on locomotives, I got to get back to the O-gauge stuff. So I just want to do one final video on the Lionel 33 and its original consist. Like I said, it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun. That Marx motor is running perfectly in it, and got 4 original cars plus the one I made out of the trucks and the paint stirrers. So it was a lot of fun. I'm glad I could save this old locomotive. like I said, it's really satisfying now to be able to just kick back and watch it run. So, Thursday, Friday, tomorrow, the next day, I have a 1666 coming, a complete set I found on eBay, so I'll do a unboxing video, hopefully get it running, and we will take it from there. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.